Art Newland. Frank Pring. Perfect as usual. It does fly. Technopower PT-17. There you have it. Lost an aileron. He's fighting it back with the rudder. Uh-oh. Well, evidently he hit something soft. It's not too badly damaged. But it's all through for this weekend, I bet. Mike Richardson's coming in with one gear hung up. Mike Richardson of Gunfighter Video fame. Gonna go around. No. Gonna go around again. Here he comes again. Keep it up. Beautiful. Good. Bruce Bender. Frontier Aviation, Montana. This fellow from Hubbard, Montana, or Chester, Montana, near Hubbard, test flight. Never been flown before. How about that? Well, it's early Sunday morning. We're out at the site. Things are looking up. We're going to get started here at 9 o'clock. Take a walk down the flight line. Emil Neely's got his Stinson SR-8 out here this morning. He says he's not going to fly it though, so looks like we'll have to wait till next year. We're going to start flying at 9 o'clock. It's 8:30 now. Some of the guys aren't here yet. Bruce is here. We had dinner with him last night, him and Mike. And here we have Emil's Air Force. And of course, there's that fantastic SR-8. This is what he had at Puyallup. And it's a beauty. He says it flies beautiful too. Super Tiger 3000. The Staggerwing was not here yesterday, so maybe we'll get to see it fly. Another Proctor kit from Aurora, Oregon.
by line 2, we should have Bayesian 0 in the ready box.
In scale competition is to fly the aircraft as close to the way the real one would fly to get extra points. Hit the telephone wires. What a shame for Fred Pierce.
This is how the 4th round begins for Dick Hansen. A little bit of a wind, not too bad.
Bruce Cooper, Longview, Washington.
Stand right here, Nick.
Spring, getting ready for takeoff.
Here goes Frank Pring. He's #1 in the flight list right now with his beautiful Harvard. The Canadian boys are really doing great up here this year. Some of the beautiful airplanes up here in Idaho. There's the pilot in the background there, sitting behind his airplanes. This is Sunday morning. We're just about to conclude the first round. We'll do one more round, and then we'll be back home.
Oh, Frank, you bounced.
And we're going to try this little 11 again. All kinds of problems with the fuel pump. I guess it's fuel pump, we really don't know.
Now watch the RPM drop when I pull that battery off.
Okay. Oh boy.
Almost stopped, dude.
Sod farm.
Oh.
That rudder. Airborne. Engines running. It's flying. How's it feel?
Good, very responsive.
Ooh, great pictures. God, that's pictured. Baron von Hansen. Now we're going to try it with the cowl on. Hope we don't burn that little surpass up. First flip this time? Still slobbering, huh? Oh, how about that? Easy starter. Revs dropped quite a bit when we pulled an eye starter off. Primarily designed for a racing plane, and the war started and They didn't have any airplanes, so they put a Lewis gun on the wing of this one, and they had a dandy little fighter that they used for quite a while. No synchronizing guns on this airplane. They had to put the gun on top of the wing to clear the prop. And he just cleared the ground by a little bit that time.
For sure.
Nice. Ooh, I can't hold it steady. There you go. It's a little bit slower as a trick, isn't it? Ooh, there, I got her. Great. You got it. This is proof positive that Heining flies. Mode 1.